So here we need to find out the distance between the points P and Q. So here the coordinate of point P is given. So the x coordinate is a plus b and the y coordinate is b plus c. And here the point Q has the x coordinate given by a minus b and the y coordinate given by c minus b. So in order to find out the distance between the points P and Q, what we'll be doing is taking the help of the distance formula. So in our case, here we have 2 points. We have point A and point B. So point A and point B are joined by a straight line. The point A has the coordinate x1, y1. Point B has the coordinates x2, y2. So the distance between A, B is going to be given by this particular formula, the distance formula, where we have to take the square root. Underneath the square root, first we take the difference of the x coordinate and then square the value, and then add it to the difference of the y coordinate and square the result. Fine. So let's try to implement this particular distance formula to find out the distance between point P and Q. So here what we'll do, we'll consider A plus B to be the coordinate x1, B plus C to be y1, and here A minus B, let it be x2, and C minus B, let it be y2. And when we apply the distance formula, then PQ will be simply equals to, all we have to do is take the square root. So underneath the square root, we need x2 minus x1. So here x2 is A minus B. From it, we have to subtract x1, which we are considering A plus B, and then we'll have to square this particular result. Similarly, we add it to the difference of the y coordinate and square the value. So that means the y2 value, which is C minus B. So from here, we're going to subtract B plus C. So that's y1. And then we're going to square this value. Then let's further simplify. So we have the square root. Underneath the square root, now we have A minus B minus A minus B whole square. Add it to, we have C minus B minus C whole square. So here A and negative A cancels out. Then we have C and negative C cancelling out. So this gives us, we have square root of, so we get negative b, so that's going to be negative 2b whole square. Add it to, so here also we have negative b, so that's negative 2b whole square. So this is going to give us square root of, so negative 2b squared will be 4b squared. So we have 4b squared plus 4b squared, which is equals to square root of 8b squared. Now, b squared is a perfect square, so it's going to come out of the square root, so we'll get a b. Now square root of 8, that's 2 times square root of 2. So that means this is going to be the distance between point P and Q. And in our option, clearly we see here that option D, so that's going to be the correct answer.